In this quick guide, I'll show you how to create an effective eBay listing in under 2 minutes. Start by opening your browser and heading to eBay's homepage. Log into your seller account so you're ready to begin. Once you're in, look at the top of the page and select the Sell button. This takes you straight to the listing setup. Begin by choosing the correct category for your item. This helps your listing appear in the right searches and increases your chances of being seen. After selecting your category, upload clear, high-quality photos. Good visuals instantly grab attention, and if you can add a short video that makes your listing even stronger. Now, add your item specifics. Include details like brand, type, material, and country of origin. Give an honest and clear description that answers the questions buyers usually have. Make sure to state the condition accurately, whether it's new, used, or refurbished, because transparency builds trust. Next, choose your listing format. Decide whether you want to use an auction or a fixed price. Check similar listings to set a competitive price that reflects the current market. After pricing, set your shipping options. Include cost, delivery time, and any additional details buyers may want to know. Clear shipping information helps buyers make quick decisions. Before publishing, review everything one last time. Confirm your photos, description, and details are correct. When you're satisfied, hit publish. And that's it. Your eBay listing is live, polished, and ready to attract buyers. Happy selling!